Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nida Khan and you are watching New Gen Leaders Group. So today I have come to tell you about the wrong concept, the wrong perception that has been followed, that has been carried out over the centuries by many of the people, and it has been inbuilt in every individual life from a very early stage. Yes, my dear friends, I'm talking about the students. It has been guided to the students or the children that you should get a good grades, because when you get the good grades you will get the good job, you will become doctor, you will become engineer, your life will become short, you will become stable. But is it really happened? So today we will discuss about the harsh reality about the job sector. In one survey, it has been found by the scientists that many of the people are struggling from the mental health issues because of the job insecurity. In one survey in Australia, it has found that 1000 people over 9 years has been affected adversely. Their personality has been destroyed completely. They won't be able to focus on themselves, they won't be able to grow themselves, they feel demotivated, they feel less focused, they feel less filled with life. And in one survey, researchers have found that 42% of the people have the major problem of the unemployment. So see the situation here. We are guiding our young generation to focus on the job, and on the contrary, as per the researches, there is one category in which the people are not getting the job. This is their major concern. And those people who have the job already, they have the job insecurity. Because of this, they are suffering from the mental health issues. This is the harsh reality of the job sector. See, now I will tell you about the pandemic condition, how it has affected the job sector. It has been found that the unemployment has reached from 5.4% to 9.5%, and the global economy has been fall to 6%. Still, we are giving the wrong concept to the young generation. Don't run for the job, run for the knowledge, run for the passion. This is the worst condition, this is the worst result of the pandemic, and in this condition only those people are struggling who are running for the job. No matter whether they have the job or not, if they have the job, they are running with that insecurity, and if they don't have the job, they are facing that unemployment. You know, there is one very famous movie of Bollywood. The name is Three Idiot. I personally like this movie because this movie is based on one concept, that is, don't run for the grades, don't run for the success, run for the knowledge, follow your passion, and the money and success will chase you. मेरा मतलब क्या है कि अगर आप गधे बनकर सबकी तरह एक रेस के अंदर दौड़ोगे तो वो समझदारी नहीं है. डोंट बिकम दैट डंकी. आई एम सॉरी, आई एम यूजिंग दैट वर्ड, बट आज के टाइम में यही एक्चुअली में हो रहा है. दिस इज़ द हार्श रियलिटी. एवरीबडी हैज़ बिकम लाइक अ डंकी एंड ही वॉन्ट टू चेज दैट जॉब, एंड ही डू दिस फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ देयर लाइफ, एंड एट वन स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ दे डाई. Many of us have seen this, that there are people who are doing the job from 20-25 years, and they are living that one same pattern of life, and they live for the job, and after that they become old and they die. So you really want to live this life? You really come for this life to live? You have only one life. Analyze your passion, find out your talent, and for finding out your talent, now it is very important that you should have that strong emotional support from your family, from your close ones. Discuss with them, find out your inner self personality which help you to groom individually. If I take the example of Mr. Bill Gates, who is a very famous rich person in all over the world, he said that if you take everything from him and if he want to start again his career, he will choose the networking. He is not choosing the job. Mr. Abdul Kalam has said that if you want to help in the growth of the India, then choose the networking. He is not choosing the job. So what I'm trying to say is, follow your passion. Start doing something out of the box. Don't follow the crowd. If you follow the crowd, you will going to live the same pattern of life that everybody has lived. If you want to become a different, if you want your self identity, then do something which is crazy, do something which is out of the box. If you see any of the leader, you will find that craziness in him. You will find that he had choose something very different. So yes, this is I really want to discuss with you all, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please like, share and comment on my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link is already mentioned in the bio. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर देना, और जो लिंक आइकन है उसको प्रेस कर देना, so that you get the notification of the new video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.